Sondela hlala phansi sifunde mngani. Sawubona mngani. Welcome to Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom, where learning isiZulu is fun. isiZulu simnandi. isiZulu, the Zulu language, is fun. Now, my name is Mama Thando. In isiZulu we say igama lami uMama Thando. Igama lami uMama Thando. Igama lami uMama Thando. What's your name? You can tell me your name by saying igama lami u, and then you say your name. What's your name? It's so nice to meet you. I am so pleased to get an opportunity to teach you my language, isiZulu, the Zulu language. Now, let's sing the hello song together. But, I need to teach you how to say hello in isiZulu first. Yeah, now let's do that. I need my friend Komba. Komba wazala. This is Komba. Lo uKomba. It's my friend. He helps me to point at everything around the classroom. Now here is the word sawubona. Hello in isiZulu. I'm going to say each syllable and I'm going to ask you to repeat after me. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 syllables in the word sawubona. Sa, u, bo, na. Sawubona. Very well done, Mngani. Now that we know the word hello in isiZulu, sawubona, let's sing the song together. The song says, hello, hello, friend. How are you, friend? Come close, sit down, and let's learn. Now, let's get going. Sawubona, sawubona, unjani mngani? Sondela hlala phansi sifunde mngani. That was beautiful, Mngani. Thank you for singing with me. How are you, Mngani? How are you, friend? Unjani, how are you? Let's sing our feeling song that will help us to see and tell how we are feeling this morning. Imizwa yethu. Imizwa yethu. Mina nginemizwa, wena unemizwa, yena unemizwa, bona banemizwa, sonke sinemizwa. Mina nginjani, ngabe ngiyaphila, ngabe ngidumele, ngabe ngikhathele, ngabe nginjani. Mina ngiyaphila, ngabe wena unjani, ngabe uyaphila, ngabe uyagula, ngabe ujabule. Wena uyaphila, yena unjani. Ngabe udangele, ngabe ukhathele, ngabe uneme. Yena uyaphila, bona banjani. Ngabe bayaphila, ngabe bayakhala, ngabe bathokozile. Bona bayaphila, thina sinjani. Ngabe siyaphila, ngabe sineme, ngabe sijabule. Thina sijabule, thina sijabule. That was great. Our song has helped us to know which feeling we are feeling today. What emotion we are feeling today. So, how are you, friend? Unjani namhlanje mngani? Oh, it's good to know. Thank you for letting me know. As for me, ngiyaphila, ngiyaphila, ngiyaphila. I am well. The next part of our isiZulu classroom board is the days of the week. And we've learned them all week long for 2 weeks now. Yeah. And now we want to practice them a little bit more so that we memorize them and that we also say them correctly in isiZulu. Let us remember the words by singing them. Now, remember the days of the week song. We can snap our fingers, clap our hands, stomp our feet, whatever feels good to you. Now let's sing together. Yisonto umsombuluko, lwesibili uLwesithathu, lwesine uLwesihlanu, kube uMgqibelo, izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. Great, mngani. Now that you remember the days of the week, I would like you to help me here. Mngani, do you see the days of the week? There's something odd here. Something is missing here, isn't it? Yeah. Can you help me figure out which day is missing? Yeah? Ngiyabonga. Now, I think let's say the days of the week from the beginning, Sunday, and let's go down the whole week, and then maybe we'll know which day is missing. Please help me. Now let's start. Isonto, umsombuluko, uLwesibili. Oh, nothing. uLwesine, uLwesihlanu, uMgqibelo. So what was the one that was missing? What is it? What day is that? What did you say? Uthini? Say it louder. Yebo mngani, uLwesithathu. uLwesithathu. Ngiyabonga mngani. Now all the days of the week are there. Ngiyabonga mngani. Now, what day is it today? uLwesingaki namhlanje. Let's see. Yesterday we were together and it was uLwesine. Then today is the next day. So it is uLwesihlanu. 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 uLwesihlanu namhlanje. uLwesihlanu. uLwesihlanu. uLwesihlanu namhlanje. Yebo! uLwesihlanu namhlanje. Now let's say that in a whole sentence and write it on our board. Now we've got namhlanje uLwesihlanu. Namhlanje uLwesihlanu. Will you say that after me? Namhlanje uLwesihlanu. Today is Friday. uLwesihlanu. Very well done, Mngani. Oh, but what day was it yesterday? The word yesterday is izolo. Izolo. Yesterday. If today is uLwesihlanu. Then we go one back. uLwesine. That was yesterday. Izolo. So let's put that on the board. Now let's say that the whole sentence. Izolo bekuLwesine. Izolo bekuLwesine. Repeat after me. Izolo bekuLwesine. Now let's say the whole sentence. Izolo bekuLwesine. Very well done, Mngani. Halala. Now, I would like to know what the weather is like. Linjani izulu? Linjani izulu namhlanje? Linjani izulu namhlanje? Liyabanda, liyashisa, linjani namhlanje? What's the weather like today? Mngani, will you check for me outside? What's the weather like where you live? If you need to check, please ask for an adult to help you. I'll be right here waiting for you. Usubuyini, what's the weather like? Linjani izulu namhlanje? Oh, you've got beautiful weather. You've had wonderful weather all week long. Wow. Now let's find out what the weather is like here where Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom is. Let's look out our imaginary window and let's see what the weather is like namhlanje today. Ooh, look at that. It's cool again today, namhlanje. Lipholile, lipholile. Now let's say that a full sentence. Namhlanje izulu lipholile. Today the weather is cool. Siyabonga imaginary window. Hamba kahle. Now let's put that on the board. Will you help me put the right picture for today's weather? I've got two pictures here. Look at that. Which one shows us a cool day? Is it this one? Well, there is sun out there, yeah? But this one also has sun. And there are clouds out there, yeah? Ooh, nice clouds. No. This one has rain. It's raining here. And it's not raining where I am today. So, this is not the one. No, not this one. This is the one that is showing us today's weather. Lipholile. Lipholile. And we put it on the board. Now, the color of the week. The word color in isiZulu is umbala. 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 Can you repeat that after me? Umbala. Very well said. Now, the color for this week is nsundu. That's brown. Nsundu. Nsundu. Now, to say the color brown, we say umbala onsundu. Umbala onsundu. The color brown. Can you say that after me? umbala onsundu. Great job, Mngani. Halala. We had a number of things that we looked at during the whole week, from uMsombuluko till izolo uLwesine, that were brown, and we described them saying they are brown. This is brown, that is brown, and those are brown. Now, let's remember or recall and review all of those. Yeah, let's go. I'll ask you to repeat after me each time I say a brown whatever it is. Now, let's get started. A brown person. Umuntu onsundu. Umuntu onsundu. A brown ball. Ibhola elinsundu. Ibhola elinsundu. A brown hat. Isigqoko esinsundu. Isigqoko esinsundu. Brown girls. Amantombazane ansundu. Amantombazane ansundu. A brown cupboard or a brown cabinet. Ikhabethe elinsundu. Ikhabethe elinsundu. Ikhabethe elinsundu. Great job, Mngani. Now let's move on to the next part of our isiZulu classroom board. The sound of the week. The sound of the week is eh, eh, eh. It's the letter E in English. We don't pronounce it as E. We say eh, eh, eh. This week, we learned a few words that have the sound eh in them. One of them being the word of the week, which is ikhekhe, a cake. Now, I will say each word that we learned this week that has the sound eh, and I'll ask you to repeat each one after me. A cake, ikhekhe. Phezulu, up, above, on top. Phezulu, phezulu. Shesha, shesha, hurry, shesha. A cupboard or a cabinet. Ikhabethe, ikhabethe. Great job. And the last one is, I'm going to try and do it and see if you're going to remember. What am I doing with my finger? I'm drawing. Yeah, but the last one is dweba, dweba, to draw. Very, very good, Mngani. You did amazing with the sound eh, eh, eh. Now, let's move on to the next part. The next part of our board is the number of the week. The number of the week is kubili, 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 kubili. That's 2 in English. Now, I would like us to remember the different things we counted this week. And we counted 2 by 2 by 2 this week. So let's see. We had 2 people. Abantu ababili. Repeat after me. Abantu ababili. 2 balls. Amabhola amabili. Amabhola amabili. 2 cabinets. Amakhabethe amabili. 2 girls. Amantombazane amabili. 2 boys. Abafana ababili. Great job, Mngani. You did so well with counting things 2 by 2. Now, whilst we are talking about the number 2, kubili, I would like you to help me with a little project of mine. Ngicela ungisize. Will you help me? Ngiyabonga. Well, ta-da! Here's my project. I'm trying to build a fence around our isiZulu classroom. Now, we can put up 2 sticks on the fence today. I think that will be enough for today, don't you think? Yeah, bo. So, please help me put them up. Look at that. Sticks. In isiZulu, 1 stick is uthi. Uthi. That's 1 stick. But more than 1 stick, izinti. 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 Now, will you count these sticks with me? Kunye, kubili. We have 2 sticks. Izinti ezimbili. Izinti ezimbili. 2 sticks. Ngiyabonga Mngani for helping me to count today. Now, Mngani, all week long you were so helpful. You helped me with dressing my friend Amahle so that she can get ready to go outside and play. So, I would like you to please help me one more time today. Ngicela ungisize. What can Amahle wear today, since we know that the weather is cool? Namhlanje izulu lipholile. Namhlanje izulu lipholile. So, what can she wear? Well, let's have a look. Let's see. Look at that. A dress or leggings. A dress in isiZulu is ingubo. Ingubo. Leggings, we laughed at this one. Leggings in isiZulu is ama-legging. Ama-legging. Yeah, we borrowed it. Yeah, we borrow some words, just like we borrow also when we speak English or when we speak French. We borrow words from other languages. Now, should she wear this dress, the blue dress, or should she wear these red leggings? Yeah, me too. I'm going with the leggings too. But wait, these leggings are red. These leggings are red, and we learnt the color red last week. And that is bomvu. abomvu. So we can actually describe these leggings and say ama-legging abomvu. Ama-legging abomvu. Will you repeat after me? Ama-legging abomvu. Great job, mngani. Gqoka amahle. What can she wear on top? Oof, look, a nice white blouse, a shirt. Ihembe, ihembe, ihembe. Will you repeat that after me? Ihembe. Gqoka amahle. What? Sure, this girl. She doesn't want to wear shoes. Hayi, amahle, you must put on shoes. She's agreeing she will wear amateki. Let's help her choose a pair of tekkies to wear, yeah? Make it nice and quick. What do you think of this? Amateki. Yeah? These are nice. Look at you! Looking so nice. She looks really, really nice. She can go out and play. Now, can you think, what was she wearing on Monday? To say on Monday, in isiZulu we say ngomsombuluko. Ngomsombuluko. On Monday, ngomsombuluko, Amahle was wearing a dress, a yellow dress, ingubo. NgoLwesibili, on Tuesday, NgoLwesibili, Amahle was wearing green shorts, isikhindi, and a green shirt, ihembe, and amateki. NgoLwesithathu, on Wednesday, NgoLwesithathu, Amahle was wearing brown shorts, isikhindi, nsundu, and a white shirt, ihembe, ihembe. NgoLwesine, on Thursday, she was wearing ama-legging, a pair of leggings, ihembe, a shirt, a blouse, ihembe, amateki, amateki, sneakers, trainers, tekkies. Namhlanje, Amahle is wearing ama-legging abomvu, ihembe, amateki. That was really, really great, Mngani. You helped me so much this week. And while you were helping me, you learned so many words in isiZulu. Now we move on to the word of the week. Ngomsombuluko, we learned the word ikhekhe, ikhekhe, cake. NgoLwesibili, on Tuesday, we learned how to describe it by saying it's tasty, it's delicious. A delicious cake is ikhekhe elimnandi. Ikhekhe elimnandi. Will you repeat after me? Ikhekhe elimnandi. NgoLwesithathu, on Wednesday, we described the cake and said it is beautiful, it's pretty, it really is so cute. And we said, ikhekhe elihle, ikhekhe elihle. Repeat after me, ikhekhe elihle. NgoLwesine, on Thursday, we described the cake and we said it is big by saying ikhekhe elikhulu, ikhekhe elikhulu. Will you repeat after me? Ikhekhe elikhulu. Great job, mngani. And then izolo, yesterday, ngoLwesine, we described the cake and said a brown cake. Ikhekhe elinsundu. Ikhekhe elinsundu. Will you repeat that after me? Ikhekhe elinsundu. Great job, mngani. We did really well with that this week. And then we also worked on our numbers. Izinombolo from 0 to 9. I would like us to start by singing them today. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Bala kanye nami. Iqanda. Iqanda. Kunye. Kunye. Kubili. Kubili. Kuthathu. Kuthathu. Kune. Kune. Kuhlanu. Kuhlanu. Isithupha. Isithupha. Isikhombisa. Isikhombisa. Isishiya galombili. Isishiya galombili. Isishiya galolunye. Isishiya galolunye. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Now let's recall those numbers. Iqanda, kunye, kubili, kuthathu, kune, kuhlanu, isithupha, isikhombisa, isishiya galombili, isishiya galolunye. Ooh, I remembered all of them. Did you? I'm sure you did. Now, look at these numbers. There's something wrong here. Can you help me find the missing numbers? What are they? What did you say? Uthini? Did you say kune and isikhombisa? You're right. Kune and isikhombisa are the missing numbers. Now we have all of them. Now let's say all of the numbers in isiZulu from 0 to 9 together. Iqanda, kunye, kubili, kuthathu, kune, kuhlanu, isithupha, isikhombisa, isishiya galombili, isishiya galolunye. You did it, mngani. You said all the numbers from 0 to 9 in isiZulu, and correctly too. Halala, mngani. You did wonderful this week. Let's get up and let's move and exercise together. Let's go. Sukuma. Shaya izandla. Shona phansi. Phezulu. Celeni. Jikeleza. Jikeleza. Thando's isiZulu classroom this week. I will see you next week.
This message is for parents, guardians, and teachers. You can extend this lesson to your home or classroom. I have made this week's worksheets and other learning materials at zululessons.com/isiZulu-classroom. Salagai.